Hey guys, this is the slow and sear, the redneck slow and sear, or the Iowa slow and sear mod. Got these charcoal baskets for my liver kettle. Going to do this mod thanks to Kent Vanderweerd for showing us this. Basically, what I'm going to do is we're going to pop these little tabs out. Need a screwdriver. Just get up underneath here. Give it a pry, pop it out, just like that. It opens up. Right? Now we got to do the same but to the opposite side. So I want this side. So when I put them together, that's it. You just wedge up in there, give it a pop. Straighten it out a little bit. It opens up. Mine are a little bit dirty because I've had them outside. All right, now Ken says you want 19 inches here. So we need to go a little bit wider. Right there is 19 inches. You guys can see that. So at the 19-inch mark, I'm going to take this little, it is a size 10 stainless steel little bolt. I think it's like an inch long. I'm just going to run it through right here in the center. Oops. Maybe. Put a stainless washer on it. Run it through right here in the center. Roll it up. Put another stainless washer on it. And a nut. As you cannot see. I'll show you guys that in a second here. As you might be able to see that. Okay. That's that. See that, guys? Just like that. Now you can put another one in there if you really want to, but I think that's going to be good. I couldn't find a lock washer out in the garage, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this up and tighten it up real good. Then I'm going to put a second one on there, just to keep it snug. And then give that just a little. And I'm using a 3/8 wrench on the size 10 washers. Tighten them both down. Tighten them down really good. All right. So that feels real good. Now, where these meet, I've got to drill a hole. See this? You got to keep those like that. My basket's got to open up a little bit. Open up a little bit. Where these two meet, I'm going to take a stainless steel self tapper. I'm going to take one of these little bits that have the little bearing on it for a socket. This is I think it's an 8mm socket. And I'm going to come in through, there's a hole right here. There's another one right here on this side. So I'm going to come through the back side just to get my hole. And then I will reverse it. Or maybe not. All right, so there it is. I got that one in. I got that one in. I can reverse that, take it out, put it in this way. One thing I did notice though is this is coming undone. So what I'm going to do, see it's coming undone. So what I'm going to do is hold that there, take my pliers, crimp, and fold back. Fold back just a little bit there. And that's that. There would be your Redneck Iowa Slow and Sear. It's going to be a great little mod for the Weber kettle. So I'll see you at the next mod.